Looking for the best pressure cooker but not sure which one actually deserves space on your counter? Today, we're ranking 5 popular models from the most basic to the absolute smartest pick. Starting off our list in the 5th spot, we have the Presto Stovetop Pressure Cooker. This is the most old-school option here, and honestly, it feels like something your grandparents might have used. There's no screen, no buttons, and definitely no fancy presets. Just you, your stove, and a pot that builds pressure the traditional way. What it does well is simple, fast pressure cooking. The aluminum body heats up quickly, and because it's lightweight, it's easy to handle and store. Compared to the electric models on this list, it's also more affordable and doesn't take up permanent counter space. If all you want is straightforward pressure cooking for soups, beans, or tough cuts of meat, it gets the job done. But here's the catch. You have to manage the heat yourself, watch the pressure, and adjust your burner manually. There are fewer safety features compared to electric cookers, and the 4-quart size is pretty small if you're cooking for a family. Plus, it doesn't work on induction stoves, which makes it less flexible than most modern options. This one is best for experienced home cooks who like full control and don't mind staying near the stove. If you want more convenience and less babysitting, you'll definitely want to look at the next option up. By the way, you'll find links to all the pressure cookers in this video at the best prices in the description right under the video. Coming in 4th place, we step into the world of electric pressure cookers with this COMFEE model. Right away, you get more convenience than the stovetop option. Just press a button, walk away, and let it do the work. No flame to adjust, no constant monitoring. It offers a nice range of preset programs for things like rice, soup, beans, and even yogurt. Compared to the Presto, this feels like a huge upgrade in ease of use. The 6-quart size also makes it much more practical for families or meal prep. You can cook bigger batches and rely on built-in safety systems that automatically control pressure and temperature. That said, the inner pot has a non-stick coating, which can wear down over time, especially if you use metal utensils. It also doesn't have the premium build or advanced features you'll see in higher-ranked models. There's no smart app, no special sensors, just the basics done reasonably well. This is a good pick for beginners who want an affordable electric pressure cooker with simple presets. If you're enjoying this breakdown so far, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel because we're just getting into the really exciting models next. In 3rd place, we have the COSORI, and this is where things start to feel more polished. Compared to the previous cooker, this one has a more premium design with a stainless steel body and a sleek control panel. It looks good on the counter and feels sturdier overall. Function-wise, it does a lot. You can pressure cook, saute, steam, slow cook, and more, all in one pot. The interface is easy to understand, and it includes thoughtful safety features and a progress display so you know what's going on during cooking. Compared to the COMFEE, it feels a bit more refined and user-friendly. The downside is the ceramic coating on the inner pot. While it's non-stick and easy to clean, coatings like this can wear over time. It's also a bit bulky, so it takes up noticeable counter space. And while it's versatile, it still doesn't offer the smart features you'll see in the top pick. This model is great for home cooks who want a reliable, well-built multi-cooker without diving into app-connected gadgets. But if you're looking for a true kitchen classic with a proven track record, the next one might catch your eye. In 2nd place, we have a name that's almost become a household term, the Instant Pot. This model has earned its reputation by being dependable, versatile, and easy to use. It's the kind of cooker many people start with and stick with for years. It combines several appliances into one, letting you pressure cook, slow cook, steam, saute, and even make yogurt. The stainless steel inner pot is a big plus compared to non-stick coatings, especially for durability. It also has a wide range of preset programs that make cooking feel almost automatic. Where it falls slightly short of 1st place is in smart technology. There's no app, no Wi-Fi, and no built-in scale. It's smart in the cooking sense, but not in the connected, high-tech sense. Still, for many people, that simplicity is actually a benefit. This is perfect for families, busy professionals, or anyone who wants a proven all-rounder without dealing with apps or updates. But if you love gadgets and want your cooker to feel like a smart assistant, wait until you see what takes the top spot. Taking the number one spot is the Chef IQ, and this thing feels like the future of pressure cooking. From the moment you set it up, it's clear this isn't just a cooker, it's more like a smart kitchen system. The standout feature is the built-in scale. You can add ingredients directly into the pot, and it weighs them for you. Pair that with the app, and you get step-by-step guided recipes that adjust automatically. Compared to every other model here, this one holds your hand the most, which is fantastic if you're still building confidence in the kitchen. Of course, all that tech comes with a bit of a learning curve. You'll need a smartphone to unlock its full potential, and some people may prefer simpler controls. But if you enjoy smart devices and want maximum guidance, nothing else on this list comes close. This is the best choice for tech-savvy cooks, beginners who want extra help, or anyone who loves the idea of a connected kitchen. If any of these pressure cookers caught your eye, check out the links in the description to see the top options at the best prices. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our next kitchen gear review.